No.
Go ahead.
We all gathered here today for the loss of our beloved bird, Larry. Would anybody like to say something? Me! Rada. Okay, go first. Larry saved many lives, but no one saved his lives. People thought he was an idiot, but he was in the bird war. I don't know why. Okay, then. Next up, Katie. Larry. He was a good bird. Bye-bye. Now my
I have
turn.
something to say.
Okay, your turn.
I killed Larry.
Murder! You have to go to jail now. Larry was a good bird and a blackbird. Now let's go put. Hold on, wait! Don't put flowers inside the grave.
Oh, you gotta put the bird in first, and then we put the flowers.
Okay.
Look, Larry's friends are at the funeral, but they're leaving.
Well,
Yeah, they don't want to see him dead. I'm just gonna scoop him.
I'll give him a dead flower.
No, it's rude. We have some flowers. That's because she killed her. Him. Poor Larry. Bad Kelly, go to jail now.
You don't even know Larry's
Here, let me help.
gender.
Okay, now you put flowers on. There you go.
I put the dead flower on.
Bye-bye, Larry.